Hello friends, today we will learn about a super easy trick to remove busy hair from a background. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. From the toolbar, select the object selection tool and select your subject. Now click on select and mask button over here. It will open up a new dialog box. Click on refine hair. In the output settings, check the decontaminate colors. Hit OK. Now go to the adjustment layer and choose solid color. Change the background color as per your liking. Hit OK and that's it. If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.